Hello friends. Now you know many things on Google Drive. I think my video series is important to you to improve your knowledge on Google Drive. In my video series, I taught you how to start with Google Drive, how to create files, how to upload files, how to manage your files, and finally I taught you how to share your files with your friends or with your team. By using this video series, I think you get something from me. My hope is to teach you something new. I think I do it with my video series, and this is the time to thank you for watching my videos. And if you think this video is important to you or it will help to improve your knowledge, please subscribe my channel to see more videos in the future. I will take many educational videos through my YouTube channel Madz Academy in the future. So keep updating your knowledge with everything. And if you want to see more videos in my YouTube channel, click the notification, click the bell icon. And if you click the bell icon, you can get all the notification from my video, and you can get notification when I upload videos. And thank you and good luck for you to improve your knowledge in every side. Thank you.